Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Be10x. I'm Antarikshan. Today, we have a very popular request being accepted here, and we have something in store for you, which is how to access GPT-4 for free. Now, this sounds like a scam. This might feel like one, but for sure it isn't. And I'm going to tell you right here in 2, 3 simple steps how you can get it for absolutely free. And then, if you want a legitimate usage of it, a bit of bonus for the people who don't want to pay 2000 per month, $20 or whatever it is per month, but somewhere, I mean, you might get something in return. So I'll just tell you that. But till the time that happens, I would just like to request you guys to check this out right here. Yup, you saw this. Absolutely correct. This is our workshop. Be10x's AI tools and ChatGPT workshop, and this you can access right here in the link down below, and it's only and only for 9 rupees. Yup, you heard me right. It's only for 9 rupees, less price than a chips packet. Yup. And all you need to do is you just need to click the link down below, sign up for the workshop, only and only for 9 rupees, and you'll be the best version of yourselves. You'll 10x your productivity. You'll be in top 1% in the world in terms of being great Excel users. You can literally get presentations in one click. You can get your job done 10x fast, and you can secure your future with us right here at Be10x. All you need to do is, as I said, click the link down below and sign up for the workshop. Just under 3 hours, just for 9 rupees. Yup. Let us jump back now. I am going to show you guys what I actually want to do, which is how to access GPT-4 for absolutely free. Now, for that, I would need to share my screen, and I'll go onto the screen in just a bit. Hopefully, it is visible to you guys. Once it is, I'll let you know. Right. So it's basically something of a trick that I thought very before, and then I tried it out. So I thought, why not? Why shouldn't I let you guys know as well that this might be the way? Now, obviously, you can see Bing right here. So Bing, as you guys know, is powered by GPT-4. Microsoft has included it. So you know what? This, whatever you ask it, this is going to use GPT-4 to actually. Now, of course, we know all of these plugins and all, and you have it, but it's obviously better at GPT-4. But let me tell you guys, whatever you're getting for free right here is more than enough. So you just write. Let's start on a negative. Write me a letter of resignation from my job due to workload and wait and mental health being affected. Right? Let's see. Now, whatever you actually write, it's going to use GPT-4 to answer it. Now, boom, there you go. See, I'm sorry to hear you're struggling with your workload and mental health as a sample resignation. How? I mean, how cool is that? And just in a click, you were able to use GPT-4 for absolutely free, right? For absolutely free. And boom, let's just read it out, right? I'm writing to inform you of my resignation letter from effective immediately. The past few months have been a struggle for me. I've come to the conclusion I rest my focus on my mental stress and anxiety of my job are beginning to impact my ability to function at home and in other aspects of life. I'd like to thank you for the opportunities. Boom, there you go. You know, the best part, it is just like GPT. Oh my God. See, you have the Google searches or the Microsoft Bing searches or whatever. I mean, that might be controversial, but yeah. So you can just copy it from here. You can download it. You can share this. You can like it and stuff. But more than like and stuff, you can just copy this, download this, export it in some Microsoft document here and there, Office 360, and then you can just share it out, right? So I mean, this is GPT-4, and the best part is GPT-4 has also has vision. So boom, there you go. There's the add an image. All you need to do is you just need to click on that, add an image, and you can ask anything about it. And that is what GPT-4 can help us do. And this is what Microsoft Bing, Copilot, whatever you want to call it, can help us do for absolutely free. So this actually was what I wanted to show you guys, how to use GPT-4 for absolutely free. Right. So as I said, I would give you some sort of, a mini sort of takeaway, another more than free, like it's not going to be free. But as I said, if someone wants to to pay for it, and they might have something of a similar nature. And obviously it's not free and stuff, but there you go. This is called Po, right? Obviously it's not a subscribed video or anything. It's just what I wanted to show you guys. So Po basically charges you around 16.58 per month, which comes to less than $20 that GPT charges you. And if you have work that doesn't require much of GPT, all the plugins, and just if you want hardcore information, if you want facts, if you want anything that's got to do more with words and stuff, then you can go for it, because you would have GPT-4 Cloud 2 with the 100K capacity and much more access to its bots for a lesser price than what you would have to pay GPT-4. So I mean, this is something that you can maybe look out for here. You can create your own bots here and there, and there's a lot that you can do on this website. I might have a video on this if we do get some free versions or some premium versions of this. So do check this out as well if you guys want to. As I said, it's not a paid or a promoted video. But also don't forget to for sure check out the link down below. Just for 9 rupees, you can access our workshop, and it's going to change the game for you in terms of AI knowledge and everything. Till the time I see you next time, take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you guys in a bit. Cheers.